There's a color changing trick out there that's so simple, you'll wonder how on earth you got by without it. Here's how it's done. Take your new color, make a slip knot, place it on your hook, and whatever stitch you're using in your project, that's what you'll do first. So I'm working with double crochet stitches here, so I'll wrap the yarn just like I'm starting a double crochet as if it were already attached to my project. You'll need to hold on to both of those loops, otherwise they'll do a loop-de-loo and twist around on you. And start your stitch and finish your double crochet. And see, you've got a perfectly clean start to a new row with a new color yarn with exactly no extra effort and no turning chains to look at. By the way, this works if you're crocheting rows or rounds, if you're adding a new ball of yarn that's maybe the same color, or in this case, a different color yarn altogether. So this trick is really great for if you don't mind weaving in an extra end, but you hate the look of a turning chain. If you're flipped and you hate weaving in ends and you don't mind the look of a turning chain, this video here is the other color changing trick you absolutely have to know.